Hi! In front of me is the DOOGEE S86 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location of this smartphone. First of all, just go into Tab menu and look for location shortcut. When you find it, just tap on it. Then just close in the pop-up, and as you can see, location of my DOOGEE is now off. But you can always turn it back on by clicking on the same icon. If you wish to, you can also go into settings, scroll down, choose location section over here, and manage location of your device by clicking on this switcher next to use location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!